everyone, welcome back to my channel. As always, this is Designed by Deshe and I am Audrey Deshe. Today I am going to show you guys how I took on this football and fall themed wreath. So I started with a greenery wreath and a wire rimmed wreath, and I'm going to attach the two together by just bending the greenery wreath around the wire wreath. As you know, these are wired as well and bendable and posable and flexible. So I'm just wrapping some of the prongs around the wire wreath to pin it in place. Once everything was secured into place, I took this super cute plaque that I found. I actually bought them, one for the wreath and one for my personal door. And I fit it inside to make sure that it would actually slot in. And now I'm just going to take my drill and I'm going to make pilot holes so that I can secure this to the wreath. I'm at 4 different holes, one in each of the 4 corners on the side, so it'll be hidden. And then I'm going to thread my zip ties through that, and I'm going to use that to secure this to the wreath. So I'm just checking the fit one more time before I take those zip ties and I just pin the outer edges of the wire wreath frame. This was really easy. This entire project took maybe 20 minutes to do. It's so cute. I am a football fan, so I'm hoping that hanging this on my door is going to bring me some good luck in my fantasy season. So, you know, fingers crossed for me, guys. Alright, I am just going to tie off those zip ties and then I'm going to trim away the excess, and then I'm going to flip this over so that we can start working on the rest of decorations. We're locked in and secured, so let's get to the fun part. I'm not going to talk too much, I'm just going to show you what I did, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm just going through now and I'm going to bend the greenery wreath prongs around this wooden leaf garland that I just applied, and I'm doing it like this so that I don't have to attach these with hot glue or, you know, zip ties or something like that, just so if I choose to, I can use them later without any damage. I applied that pre-made burlap bow with a twist tie, and 20 minutes later, I have a beautiful fall-themed wreath. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.